What is the tech data message that you would like customers and partners to know more about?
Sure. So we're really representing ourselves now as an IoT solutions aggregator. We've made a tremendous shift over the past 2.5 years from a traditional IT distributor, what you would think of that, where we're taking a vendor product and reselling it to a reseller who's reselling it to an end customer, to really align ourselves more with our partners and how they go to market to their end customers. So everything that we're doing now is really around the outcomes that customers are needing in their business, and helping partners build out and design those full end-to-end solutions that they can repeat to other customers of like scenarios. We're very much focused also on the vertical space. So we're focused on industrial, which includes discrete manufacturing, which includes process manufacturing, bottling, and also includes agriculture and oil and gas and energy. And then we're also focused on transportation and logistics, retail and hospitality, what we call spaces, which includes connected conference rooms to buildings themselves, lighting, PoE lighting solutions, as well as access control and HVAC control, and then extending that out into cities. So now we're working on smart city opportunities and municipalities, and now healthcare as well.
If I was a new partner coming into the IoT world, what skills might I need to develop that might be different from my expectations, that might make me a valuable partner to tech data?
Yeah, so with all of our net new partners, we actually have a program called the Practice Builder Program, and it helps build out a specific business plan that's unique for that individual partner. So we really look at their current skill sets and capabilities, the verticals that they're currently in, and help them build a very specific plan to build out and grow their capabilities across the ecosystem. And what we leverage is really around partner matchmaking opportunities as well. So when a partner, let's say they're very knowledgeable and have a lot of skill sets in design and on the data analytics side and data ingestion, we'll partner them up with another ecosystem partner who has capabilities, let's say in the industrial space, and understands industrial networking and how to pull information and data out of legacy SCADA networks. So we have a wide variety, not only on the vendor ecosystem side, but on the partner ecosystem side, to help pull that together and help partners go to market and actually make real net new business opportunities with this.